Or perhaps in Slytherin, you'll make your real friends. Those cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends.
What brand would a Slytherin buy? Let's break down their buyer persona to figure it out. First, their demographics. This is the quantitative side. Who are they? Well, we're doing a buyer persona for every Slytherin you can think of, so demographics have to be pretty vague and really not that useful. Age, 10 to hundreds of years. Race varies, but let's just say there's a lot of pure blood lines of wizards in Slytherin, but not Voldemort, ironically. Gender, all. Marital status, all. Employment, varies. Income, varies. Education, Hogwarts. Location, varies. Next, their psychographics. This is the qualitative side. Why are they making a purchase? There's always a reason behind a purchase. Their personality traits, cunning, resourceful, ambitious. Lifestyle, they are indulgent. They focus on themselves first and foremost. No judgment, that's just Slytherin. Social status, I'm going to say it's high, but non-Slytherins view them with disdain given their reputation and all the Death Eaters and general evil people that come from them. But then again, Merlin was a Slytherin, so they're not all bad. Activities and interests, winning, Kidditch, and winning at Kidditch. Quidditch? Kidditch? One of those. No one buys brands. People buy what they believe. So what does a Slytherin believe? Well, their values and attitudes, self-preservation, loyalty, and, according to Dumbledore, a certain disregard for the rules. So then, what is the brand and product that best embodies the demographics and psychographics of a Slytherin? That's gotta be Tony Robbins' Unleash the Power Within seminar. This is a seminar that will help Slytherins win at life. They're unleashing the power within. I mean, you can have magical powers, but if you don't have the magical power of self-confidence, then you got nothing. And the seminar, it's an opportunity to network with like-minded Slytherin types who are willing to invest in themselves. Just think about those coffee breaks. You're gonna talk to some people that are gonna be movers and shakers. And people who attend this seminar, they're looking out for number one before moving on to help others. Maybe they will help others in the future, but right now, they are unleashing that power within. And if they can't afford the $1,000 ticket price, I'm sure a Slytherin can find a way to get that money. You know what I mean? Do you agree with me? What brand do you think a Slytherin would buy? Post your reply in the comments and check out this next video for another lesson on copywriting and marketing.